This was the aftermath of Hurricane Hilary, I guess, Southern California. This is the city of Apple Valley here to Hesperia. One of the largest rivers in the world, if I'm not mistaken, at least the United States, the Mojave River. We have this right there, Bear Valley Road. Got some folks down there. Hurricane Hilary was decent to us over here. Had some flooding, you know, some consistent rains, and brought a little bit more life to that this river here for us, which is tremendous. But all in all, everything else looks great.